Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get TikTok. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is go to your App Store and then go to search section, and then at the top in the search box type TikTok, tap search button, and basically find the TikTok from the list, and here you will see downloading button, but since I have already TikTok, you will see open, but if you don't have TikTok application yet, you should see download button. So tap download button and enjoy your TikTok. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.